Here we are again with a brand new DJI camera system. This time it comes in the form of the DJI Osmo Nano. So as the name suggests, this is a nano or a tiny camera system. You can see it's a modular design, so it's got the screen, the detachable screen on the base, and then you've got the camera on top, which looks very, very small. It looks like it's got a similar design to the mic system actually, with that shell that's slightly see-through, not completely see-through. It is the 64GB version. This is the standard combo. So let's have a look and see what comes inside and what we can expect from this brand new camera system. So we've got that, and then we've got some information and stickers and whatnot in there. So let's have a look. First things first, let's just check out this camera system. Here we go. So this is the base right here. It's got a nice display on it. We can see there's a record button, so it works almost like a remote controller as well. We've got the little releasing clips here. Right, so you press those two in to release. It's got magnetic pins by the looks of it. That record button there. On the base you can also mount a different mounting system there by the looks of it. Really interesting, slightly see-through design that they've gone with here. And that's kind of it for that side. I think, does this come off? I don't know if this maybe releases. There we go. So that releases there to showcase a USB-C as well as a micro SD card slot there on that side. That just kind of clips into place there. And then here is the Nano, the main piece, the actual camera system. So let's have a look at this. Remove all the stickers. And here we go. Look at that. Very, very cool. So small, as you can see, and that just magnetically connects in. You press the two buttons there. That clips into place like so. Really, really interesting design here. So if we press and hold the power button or the record button, it takes us in straight away. And so here we go. This is it right here. Let's have a little looky. So it's just explaining the magnetic connection system. Got the camera button on top up here. So there's that, as well as the remote controller option as well. We've also got a multifunctional vision dock. Press and hold to power on and off. Press once to take photo or record. Got touchscreen, covers, and micro SD as well. So there we go. It's giving us more prompts. Here we go. So this is the system right here. You can see I can at any point just disconnect and just have that as my screen. So that's gone now the vertical mode, as you can see, and then if I turn it, it goes horizontal. So it looks like a simple little system. When you hold it there, it's very natural just to press that record button just on top there. It does have that internal storage, like I said, but at any point you can just flip it into vertical. You can also, I would imagine, disable that as well through the settings. There's a lot of different options in here by the looks of things, which is really nice. And then to connect it back up again, it just magnetically connects on, clips into place, and that's the full system like so. So let's have a look in here, see what else we get in the kit, see what it comes with. Let's just pour it all out on the top. We've got some more paperwork there. We had more paperwork in the box, but we're just going to skip all of that. Comes with a USB-C to USB-C, which is very nice. It comes with some form of lanyard by the looks of it, which will be great for connecting it on. There we go, so it explains how to connect it on. You can clip it on sideways or vertically as well. So if we just have a quick look at that. Oh yeah, very strong magnet. So that can just clip on like so, magnetically. They were suggesting not to do it that way, or were they? I'm a bit confused with how they're explaining that. So it says you can go with right in the center, so not too high, and then in the center but utilizing the little additional clip by the looks of it, but I don't see why you can't go that way. It works that way, there's no issues with that. Or you can also go vertically as well. And here we've got, by the looks of it, some form of suction cup mount. If we have a look in here, there we go, so that's a nice suction cup mount. That will literally just suction onto the table, and then I can connect this up like so. Right, really simple stuff, and then I've still got my remote here, so you can obviously set this up however you want to set it up, spin it around, angle it, do whatever you need to do, and yeah, that's going to do the job, as you can see. That's really cool. Cool, so you get that, you get the magnetic lanyard. We also get a little cage by the looks of it. Let's just get in here. Okay, so that's the little cage. So that will just slot into place by the looks of things. There we go, that's really clean. I like that, it just says Osmo on top. Nice little cage, but still exposes the mounting option on the base there. And then we've got this piece here, which will be the final piece by the looks of it. Let's have a look in here. Okay, so this is that little mounting clip that I was showing you before. So by the looks of things, this is just going to magnetically connect up like so, and then you can clip it on like that. So that just gives you a little bit more range just to angle it down however you want to angle it, or angle it up slightly. Don't know if we can maybe rotate it the other way. Let's clip it on the other way. Let's see how that goes. Oh yeah, so you can also mount it on that way as well. So there's a few different orientations, and then that will just go around your neck. And you've got a very unique mounting system there. Super strong magnet, really, really strong magnets in here. So yeah, that's the kit right there. That's the Osmo Nano. Comes with the additional paperwork like I mentioned. We've got stickers in here, more paperwork, lots of different stuff. And you get a few accessories, but these are the two main pieces here that we can see. And that's the nano camera and then the remote control. So at any point you just connect it on like so, and it creates a very standardized shape to an action camera, right? But then at any point you can remove it. I wonder whether you can, oh, you can also turn it the other way as well. That's pretty cool. So if you wanted to have it that way, that's also an option, so that you can hold it looking at a subject, or you can flip it around for more of a selfie design, and at any point you can connect up microphones as well. So really cool system here, and that's what you can expect from the standard combo with the Osmo Nano.